Look no further than the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Wrangler JK delivers off-road performance, technology that keeps you safe and connected, creature comforts, convenient storage, and the open-air spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's the rugged, can-do trail machine that's comfortable and connected. The Wrangler JK.